been to this show before, you're missing out. A lot of your expenses are covered. They want you to come here and see this. Do your homework before you come. Go through the books so you can get a feel for what's going to be here. And I think when you first walk in and you look around, it's a wow moment. There's no doubt about it. You're kind of taken back a little bit. And I think what we have found that when you get to the show, take 2 or 3 hours and just walk it.